Crypto is changing again, but this time it's not about Bitcoin or Ethereum. It's about something being built on top of them, quietly growing and now exploding in popularity. They're called Layer 2 networks, and they could change everything. Miss this now, and you might regret it later. Imagine Ethereum like a busy highway. It's slow, expensive, and jammed. Now picture fast express lanes built right above it. That's Layer 2. They help move transactions quicker, cheaper, and without blocking the main chain. But here's the catch. Layer 2s don't replace Ethereum. They make it stronger. Layer 2 is the reason Ethereum hasn't collapsed under its own weight. In 2025, these Layer 2s are booming, and here's why. Ethereum gas fees are still high, but Layer 2s cut those down by 90%. Transactions happen in seconds, not minutes. Big names like Arbitrum, Optimism, zkSync, and Base are now home to millions of users. Even Web3 games, DeFi apps, and AI tools are moving there. But wait, here's where it gets risky. Every new Layer 2 feels like a new gold rush. But not every gold rush ends well. How do they work? They use cool tech like roll-ups that bundle tons of transactions into one. Some are optimistic. They assume everything's fine unless proven otherwise. Others use zero-knowledge proofs to keep things super fast and secure. In short, Layer 2s are like booster engines strapped to Ethereum. But there's a dark side. Some Layer 2s aren't truly decentralized. Some tokens are pumped and dumped. And the bridges connecting Layer 1 and Layer 2, they can be hacked. So why should you care? Because Layer 2 means you pay cents instead of dollars in gas fees. Transactions are lightning fast. You might even get early access to airdrops and new tokens. And most of crypto's future is already building on it. If you're still stuck using only Layer 1, you're living in 2019. The future is already on Layer 2. So what do you do now? Start learning. Try using a Layer 2 wallet. Explore apps on Arbitrum or zkSync. Because if you wait too long, the early rewards could be gone. Layer 2 isn't coming. It's already here. The question is, are you ready for it? Subscribe for more easy-to-understand crypto videos. Drop your favorite Layer 2 in the comments. Let's talk and share this with someone still paying $30 to send ETH.